solving 2 by 2 using the 3 by 3 algorithms. So step 1, just make at least 2 whites. So I see here white and I'll just rotate. And to bring the next 2 whites, the only thing you have to do is bring this white next to where it has to go. So for example, it has to go here. So I'll just bring it down. And if you remember, we used to do away, down, back, up. Similarly for the fourth one, bring the white here and then use away, down, back, up. So white layer is done. Then we'll do the first. And if these two are same, then keep it away from you. But if all are different, choose any side and use the third algorithm of solving the last layer. The third algorithm was write down, face right, write down again, back 2 times. Then write up, face left, write down again and back 2 times. And then write 2 times. So what you will do is one side will match. And now I will keep it away and do it again one last time. So write down, face right, write down again, back 2 times. Then write up, face left, write down again, back 2 times and write 2 times. So you see the first layer is done now. Now we'll do the same thing which we did on 3 by 3. So we'll solve this layer for yellow. So this is yellow now. And using the same way, like put yellow facing on your left shoulder, closer to left. If there is no yellow, check the pattern. Suppose these two could be yellow. So it's like, assume it's eyes and facing towards your left. So only this thing you have to take care of. So I will use the second formula, which we used in solving the 3 by 3. So right up, upright, then left up left, and then right down, so it will give me one matching, and also the yellow is done. So keep doing it until you won't see the full yellow. And then now we'll do the last step. And the last step is again easy. Use the third formula, which we did earlier. So write down, face right, write down again, back 2 times, right up, face left, write down again, back 2 times, and then write 2 times. And I'll just twist to match. So 2 by 2 is done using only 3 algorithms of 3 by 3. So there's nothing new to learn here. I hope you enjoy this. All the best.